Hey guys, welcome to Saving Green. Today we have a very special episode, the unboxing of the Teracube 2E, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh. At Saving Green, I crunch the numbers and look at the science to help you make informed decisions to save your wallet and the planet at the same time. And today we are unboxing the second generation smartphone from Teracube, the Teracube 2E. And this is the packaging it came with. Very slim, very efficient packaging. So this is a really exciting product, and I've been following Teracube for quite some time now and put this pre-order in through their Indiegogo campaign back in October and finally got it. Came about a month or so after the expected delivery date in December, but I'm super excited to share this with you. And again, I haven't used this yet, but I'm just going to show the product to you all for the first time today. Now, a few disclaimers. I am not sponsored by Teracube or anyone for that matter, but I do think that this is a product that people deserve to know about, and to help spread the message, this is a product that I'm going to be giving away. So if you're interested in the Teracube, I will discuss this more at the end of the video, but comment below with the phone that you're currently using, how many years you've had it, and why you're interested in the 2E. And if this channel reaches 150 subscribers, then I will give it away. So this is the box. I've already kind of taken off the shipping information and the tape, but it just came in kind of like a sealed plastic DHL thin packaging sleeve, and this is the box. So let's take this bad boy out. Again, I've already just quickly trimmed the tape, but this is more or less what the product looks like. So this is the phone. You can see it comes with a plastic screen cover and very minimal coloring on the packaging. The phone does come in its own case. We'll talk about that in just a second. And here it kind of has a cute little message asking where the charger is. So it does say that this packaging is made with 50% less paper, soy ink, and eliminates redundant accessories like a charger. And this reduces the shipping volume by 35% and therefore the carbon footprint of shipping costs as well. So again, this phone is really made with sustainability in mind. It does include a quick kind of user guide and a start guide, as well as a little QR code to help you get started, little packet of silica gel, and a Dear Customer card as well. And that's it. And you can see that all this will be put back into the container so that I can ship it as is to the lucky winner of this giveaway. So let's review what makes this phone so special. So the Teracube 2E is a 6.1-inch HD Plus display Android 10 phone, and yes, it runs Android 10, which is the latest firmware from Android. And basically this phone is designed to be serviceable, and that's one of the main advantages that sets this phone apart from pretty much every other phone out there. It includes a 4-year extended warranty, and that covers basically everything from the hardware and software side except for traumatic injury to the screen, which is only $59 to repair. And you can send this back to Teracube directly and they will take care of it. Now, the phone itself has some other kind of unique features, and one of them is this biodegradable case. I will pop the phone out real quick just to kind of show you what that's like. So here's some information on the phone itself. You can see that things are labeled for you. So the phone does come with a kind of handy label here. You see that it has the dual camera, it has a fingerprint reader on the back just like that, it has the volume rocker, power button, and everything you could possibly want to know is basically right here and labeled for you. Again, I will leave these labels on the phone. And then this is the case that comes with it, and it is basically like your standard kind of soft silicone case, but this one is biodegradable. I don't know if this is compostable specifically, but this will decompose at some point, and some point a lot sooner than your typical plastic or silicone case. So very exciting and very considerate on Teracube's part to include this in the design. Now, just a quick comparison to an iPhone 10, which is the phone that I'm currently using. You can see here that yes, the phone is a little bit bigger, a little bit taller. So the phone is definitely thicker. In fact, without the case, it is comparable to the iPhone 10 with the case. Of course, the bulk does increase a little bit as you pop the case back in, But yeah, really just excellent build quality overall. I'm gonna see if I can power this on real quick. So now the phone is on. So the phone certainly works. And now this is the registration and setup for Android, which I will avoid for now because I plan on giving this away. So I'm going to shut this off. So a few other digital specs on this phone. As I said, it has a 6.1-inch HD Plus display. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal storage. It also has an expandable micro SD card for additional storage. It is dual SIM compatible, so good for international and domestic users and carriers. What else? The phone, as I said, has Android 10 pre-installed, which is the latest operating system offered by Android, and it is approved for 4 years. Now, Google typically honors phones for up to 2 years, but I think they have a special contract with Teracube that they will support this phone for the full duration of the standard warranty, which is really, really awesome. And basically what else is kind of neat is, like, as I take this case off just one more time, I will demonstrate for you one of the neatest features of this phone, which is the fact that the battery is replaceable. By including a 4,000 milliamp hour replaceable battery, that should get you 2 days of battery life. Theoretically, you could take this on a trip with an extra battery and be good for 4 days, which is really, really amazing without needing a charger. So you can basically see all the internals, and basically it is riddled with screws. There is no glue involved. And by not including any glue, this is a phone that really is DIY repairable, which is really, really amazing and very unique and very commendable. Everything snaps back quite easily. The phone just has a really, really solid build quality, and this is an excellent product. And look, the only reason why I'm giving this away is because, again, you should really be buying products that you absolutely need. And right now, my iPhone 10, it's going into its 3rd year, but it's servicing me just fine. So when this thing dies, then I may be looking to upgrade to a phone like this. But for now, I'm going to keep my phone, and I'm happy to give this wonderful piece of technology to one of you. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is to comment on this video below. And please say what phone you're currently using and how long you've had it and why you're interested in the Teracube 2E. And then I will randomly select a comment and I will contact you with the details. We'll share some shipping information and I'll send it over. There may be some restrictions as far as international fees. I will not be paying any sort of import tariffs or things like that, but we will sort all that out if an international viewer happens to be the winner. But good luck to all of you. And again, hopefully this channel will reach 150 subscribers by the end of the month. So the giveaway will end on February 28th, 2021. So you have about 3 weeks to comment below and share your thoughts on this new phone. So for more information on Teracube, I did have the privilege to interview Anthony Sim, one of the co-founders of the company, back in November. So I will link to that video for an in-depth discussion on the mission of Teracube as a company and as a product manufacturer, and I hope you find it interesting. If you want more information on the phone, including tech specs and comparisons to the Teracube 1, I will link down to their website below. If you want to order the product, it's still available through Indiegogo. The price has gone up a little bit. I think it's $170, but nonetheless, it is still available for purchase if you are interested. Otherwise, you can try your luck at the giveaway by commenting down below. I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for checking out Save and Green. Any likes and subscriptions is very much appreciated, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.